How to change chat theme on Messenger. Are you tired of the plain look of chats on Messenger? If so, I have a solution for you. With the new chat theme, your chatting experience with friends on Messenger will look completely different. Let me show you how. Open the Messenger app on your phone. Then open the chat in which you want to change the theme. Click on your friend's profile picture. The first section is Theme. Click on it. There you have numerous themes available. As you can see, the list of themes is long. At the end of the list, you'll see a color palette. In the Colors and Gradients section, you can select which colors you want for your theme. Now, I'll click on one color combination. You'll immediately see how it looks in your chat. If you like this theme, click on the Select button. I've just set up this theme, and you can see how it looks. Now, I'll repeat the process, but this time, I'll choose one of the provided themes. Each theme has its own name. I'll open the Coachella theme. Here, you have the opportunity to see how the theme looks in the chat. You set the theme by clicking the Select button. You change the theme in the same way you set it up. Every time you change the theme, a notification will appear in the chat, along with the name of the theme. What's particularly interesting is that each theme has a different set of quick emojis. If you liked the video, like it and comment. Subscribe to the channel for more similar tutorials.